Hello everyone, it's been a long while since I last did a YouTube video for my channel, but my intentions are to get this channel back up and running again. So here I am, and hopefully I'm back for the foreseeable. My first video, this video today, is going to be a little eyebrow tutorial because we all love a good eyebrow. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Today, for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using Unique's Brow Obsession palette. In this, you get a light and a dark shade. So what I tend to do is I tend to go for the darker shade first, just to underline and do the tail of the eyebrows, and then fill it in with the lighter shade. What I'm using here is a angled brush, quite a precise one, just to get a perfect line. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with the lighter shade and build that up. I am now grabbing a thick eyebrow brush. This one is by Real Techniques, and this is just to give me to blend the inner eyebrow out slightly, so you haven't got that harsh line. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tip it once into the light shade, and I'm going to start on my eyebrow, but I'm just going to work it in. So you kind of got that ombre effect. Like so. Right. Now obviously there's going to be mistakes, and I always say don't worry because you can always use concealer. I am going to be using Mineral Touch Skin Perfecting Concealer today. There you go. First I'm just going to pop it on the back of my hand so it just warms it up a little bit. And what you can do with this now, you can clean it up, so you can clean up any mistakes and just carve that eyebrow out. So what you want to do, you just want to dab the concealer on at first and try not to drag it. And then I apply all the concealer, dab it all over. Use a bit more if you need to, just to blank that whole area out, which will also provide a nice base for when you apply your eyeshadow. I'm then going to go in with a blending bud. Just sprayed a little bit of setting spray onto the sponge and then blend that out. Stronger, if you want a stronger eyebrow, you can go along the top as well, which sometimes I do, but I think I'm going to leave it like that today, just so it's a bit of a softer look. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go in with a neutral colour, just a skin tone, just to set the eyelid to prevent creasing, and obviously it's easier for you to blend your eyeshadows then when you go onto it. I'm just going to use a large eyeshadow brush for this. You could also use, to be honest, a flat brush, because you could probably pat it on then. And then I'm just going to go back over the eyebrow with my big eyebrow brush. Very carefully, just to set it all. Blend that out a little bit more. And then you can grab your blending board and just go over it gently. And there you go. I've just done my other eyebrow in exactly the same process as I did the first one. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If it was helpful, please pop me a like and please subscribe to my channel. You'd be helping me and it would be much appreciated. Thank you, everyone. See you soon. I want to get that back up and running, so hopefully I'm back for the first